If you are a fan of the Nike Vapormax, or if you're interested in purchasing one, this video, this vlog is for you. Why? Because I have over here the newest, latest, and greatest Nike Vapormax. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our unboxing, first look, and on-feet review of the Nike Vapormax 360. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we do constant giveaways on the channel. Heck, in fact, we're giving away true wireless earphones. So make sure that you're subscribed, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck! Let's jump right into it. So the Nike Vapormax 360 comes in this blue-black box with the swoosh and some details printed at the top. You have the sizing as well as the official colorway printed here along the side of the tag. It says here Nike Air Vapormax 360, black, anthracite black. If you pop this box open, it's actually empty because bam, I actually already unboxed it and did some on-feet footage earlier to get the feel so I can report back to you guys. This is the Nike Air Vapormax 360. So why is it called the Nike Air Vapormax 360? Mainly because it's a fusion of two sneakers. The upper is very reminiscent of the Nike Air Max 360, which, if I'm not mistaken, came out sometime around 2007 or 2008, which also featured an Air midsole, which got a lot of buzz when it first debuted. And of course, the midsole that you have for this particular sneaker features the Vapormax Air unit, which is both controversial and well-loved by people who are fans of the Vapormax. I think at the end of the day, the Vapormax is such a polarizing shoe. It's either you love it or you hate it. There are some people that are just so put off with the Air units. They think of it as some sort of like mouth guard, or they think that it just looks horrible. But at the same time, there are fans, people who love the futuristic vibe. They love the feeling of walking on air, and they love the character and the feel of the Vapormax. So you can't really blame them if you like it, but also you can't blame the people who ate it. But anyway, so if you take a look at the let's take a closer look. So if you take a look at the upper, it is a bit chunky compared to your traditional Flyknit Vapormax. Again, it's inspired by the Air Max 360. You have those lines that are moving backwards as if like you're running forward, and air is like hitting your shoe from all directions. Some sort of like aerodynamic thing going on. You have that really nice colored swoosh over here, which kind of changes color from green to blue, both on the lateral and the middle side. You have some sort of like leather, patent leather overlay here at the toe guard, the mud guard, and also here at the back of the shoe. That same leather extends towards the middle part, going all the way to the top of the tongue, which says Vapormax 360. Now, if you take a look at the eye stays, it actually says over here 2020, which is a nice touch, a nice addition, because this is probably going to be the first Vapormax that released moving into the new 2020 year. So that's probably why it's written there 2020. Now, if you move down to the midsole, there is some sort of like foam area over here before you touch the actual Air unit, which is something that I am happy to see, because the main problem that I had with the OG Vapormaxes was that the Air unit would just push upwards and make it really uncomfortable, especially if you wear it for extended periods of time. This is very reminiscent to the Vapormax Plus as well as the Vapormax Premier, wherein they address the comfort issue by putting in some sort of like foam insert in the middle, in between of the upper of the sneaker or the insole and then the Air unit. If you move down, then you get your typical Air unit from the Vapormax. Pretty similar, nothing too different. You have the rubber outsole over here to protect the Air unit as well as to give it additional durability. Now, the question on your mind probably is, how is it on feet? And I can tell you two things. Number one, it feels like a Vapormax when it comes to walking and running in them. A little bit more comfortable because of the foam insert. Again, it's kind of like the experience that you get with the Premier Flyknit or the Vapormax Plus. However, it is very tight and it is kind of snug. Why? Because if you take a look at the tongue over here, there is that elastic band that pulls it downward. So it's kind of constricting. It's kind of hard to slide your feet into this sneaker because the upper is a little bit hard and it's not as silky smooth or flexible as your typical Flyknit material. So I just have to put it out there. It was kind of hard to put my feet in them despite going through the size. Looking back, I probably should have gone at least half a size up for this one because it was a little bit too snug, a little bit too tight tight and kind of uncomfortable after walking in them for a couple of hours. So styling, the shoes are a little bit chunkier compared to your traditional Vapormax. So if you are expecting like a sleek, a form-fitting shoe, sock-like shoe, you don't get that with this one. It's a little bit heavier, a little bit bigger. So if you're a fan of slightly bigger shoes, then this is the one for you. And in terms of colorways, this is actually the black one. I also saw a gray colorway available already at Nike over at Podium Mall here in the Philippines. And I did see online that there are other colorways of the Nike Vapormax 360 coming, including a white and red and a white and Vault version. So just pick the color that you want and go for that one instead. The big issue with the Nike Vapormax 360, and I cannot stress this enough, is the friggin' price. This is a hella expensive sneaker. I got this for 10,600 something pesos. That's over $200 for the new Nike Air Vapormax 360. And it was eating me up inside to buy this at that price because I know as early as now that you will see this in outlets in a couple of months. And they will sell it for like 30% off, 40% off, eventually 50% off. But hey, since this is a sneaker vlog and I want to review it first for you guys, I bit the bullet and bought it at full price. Which leads me to my recommendation. If you really love a chunky Vapormax and you don't like the Nike Air Vapormax Plus, then this is probably a great option for you guys because it's chunky. You have the 360 upper, it's a little bit looks like aerodynamic and stuff, a little bit more futuristic. So you might want to go for this one, but again, take note, it's full price. It's $10,000, it's $200, very pricey. You can get the Vapormax Plus in outlets at half price, sometimes even 60-70% off. But however, if you can probably wait, and I mean, however, if you really do love this sneaker but you have the patience to wait, my recommendation is to just wait a couple of months and maybe this ends up over at the Nike outlets and you can probably cop it at 50, 60, 70% off depending on the rate of how many people actually love the shoe. I just find it so hard to recommend, you know, general release sneakers at 10,000 pesos because there are so many amazing collaboration pairs of kicks that come out regularly from Nike, from Adidas, from Reebok, from Saucony, and a bunch of other brands that sell for much less than this. So unless you are a die-hard fan again of the Air Max 360 and the Vapormax, I really feel that it's not worth pulling the trigger on this one for full price. However, if the time comes, you can buy at a discount, knock yourselves out. So that's actually my review, unboxing, and first look at the Nike Vapormax 360. However, I still have one more sneaker that I want to show you guys. I haven't actually unboxed this yet, I think, on the channel. This is a Nike Air Force One that has been here in the studio for a couple of months now. It was actually a gift from Manuel from Lifestyles and Sneakers. If you don't know his channel, check it out. He's also a Filipino sneaker YouTuber. He goes to outlets, he goes to sales. He also occasionally does sneaker reviews. So this was one of his gifts for me, and I just want to do a quick unboxing for the vlog so you guys see what he gave me. So this is an Air Force One in the black colorway, but there is something super special about it. So if you pop it open, let's take a closer look. Ba-bam! So you have that hologram-like feel or reflective feel which outlines the swoosh and the lines of the sneaker. So if you take it out of the box, there's actually something super special hidden in the shoe that you guys will not, well, think of, I think. You'll find surprising. Now, from the outside, it looks like a normal black Air Force One with the hologram styling along the sides and of course here at the back. But if you pop the insole open, if you pop the insole out, there is a really nice surprise that I super appreciated. Manuel, super thank you for making the effort for this one. So you have your typical Air Force One insole, but he had my Funko Pop version like printed here. So that is just super awesome. So again, Manuel, maraming salamat. I appreciate the friendship. I appreciate the camaraderie, bro. And I look forward to doing more vlogs with you, more collaborations with you in the coming months ahead. Guys, that's just so nice, right? You know, at the end of the day, one of the best gifts that you can give is not really expensive items. They're not, you know, the best gifts that you can give are gifts that you think about, that gifts that people either need or really want, or gifts that will surprise people. So you don't really have to buy like super expensive stuff as long as you know what will make people smile, what will make your friends smile, what will make your loved ones smile. So just think about that as we head into the last 2 weeks of December and we enter the Christmas home stretch week. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. We did the review unboxing of the Nike Air Vapormax 360 and did a quick unboxing of this special Air Force One that was given to us by Manuel from Lifestyle and Sneakers. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you do so. We still have the ongoing giveaways, including the true wireless earphones, and I will be announcing new giveaways in the coming days ahead. And the prerequisite for all of the giveaways is that you need to be a subscriber, you need to follow me on Instagram, and you need to join our Facebook community. So go do those 3 things now so that when the announcement comes of the mechanics, you can already be part of the giveaway. With that said, I hope you're all having an amazing week. In advance, I wish all of you a very merry, prosperous for New Year. I just wish all of you a meaningful, lovely Christmas. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.